Okay, it's gonna be on recording, sweetheart.
Okay, here, I'll record it.
Oh, it's already on recording. You don't gotta do that right now. I gotta look like a cow. I gotta look like a mody-dody, floaty. I know I look hideous right now. You see my face looking wretched as all hell. I'm gonna do swell. Once I wanna do what I'll do. I'm just kidding. I'm just a joke. It's like I ain't, don't laugh at me. I won't like that. No.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby, you wanna get taken by me? Oh, baby, you want me to do some kind of nasty thing?
We got it.
Let's clean, let's do our chores, let's do our homework, study hard and make a career for ourselves, our family,
Work hard and make it through.
Who wants to fail? Who wants to quit? Who wants fear, anxiety to be the shit in their life, in their daily? Who wants to be Waverly and hesitant, baby? Not me.
A+ on the test, face down on the desk. Father's face is a mess. I need God and the rest. Come in my life and change it for the good. Won't you help me through these times? Oh, you would.
Oh, Randy, singing behind me. He was so decent. Oh, I ain't the one to judge nobody.
Me and Nora make it up off the top of our heads. We got two minds, but we share these thoughts. Didn't wanna say bed, cause somebody would fuck it up. Didn't rhyme, I didn't know, but we gonna keep it going.
Well, Randy, I think he's 24. I am Nora Miller. And guess what? Shh, I ain't no whore. It's going down now. It's gonna go round. You're gonna catch that shit. It's coming to your town.
That car fentanyl, it's coming round.
Ooh, watch out. Please be aware. Shit that you do to your body. Oh, I get scared.
Too many friends in that grave, I'll be never ends. It's 6 feet below, I never will know.
Oh, let me please interrupt you while you singing, telling you all there's a high that you ain't bringing, costing you zero and zilch nothing, baby. Ooh, life, the essence, I want some, plenty.
Good and plenty I got on me, let me show you what I got me. I need everything, you know me, I need everything, you owe me, I need love.
I got the bling, I interrupted while he sing. Look, he done got this from flea market. Egypt knew I tell you, ooh, I was all twisted in my words, my lyrics. Laugh at me, it's like he didn't, he was laughing. I'm so fucking brilliant, you see.
We sound so good, we make it through the storm.
Storms coming. Ooh, watch out, sails beware, strengthen, tighten. Storms coming, hail.
Lightning striking, breaking,
lightning striking again.
Light me up like a flame, I need you. Lightning, won't you come and see me through this too?
I need your strength, I need your voltage in me. I need your courage, baby. Storm, taking me down again. Oh, enemy, oh, life ain't my friend. Storm, lightning.
That's what you should name the song.
Striking me down, my friend. Lightning coming in all ways and forms, like a ray of despair, disappointment. That storm, lightning, it's gonna take me down, I swear.
Lightning, it took my hair. The static electricity is in the air. Ghost by my side, but we walk here alive. Me and Nora got the vibe, but can you vibe? I mean jive.
Well, storm is coming and I won't be fearful. I know a thing about my life, I'm so cheerful. If I got my friends in good company, yo, I got support, well, I can do anything, you know.
You know.
Ain't no storm gonna come that I cannot conquer. Any wave, any water, any hail, don't take me under. Bitch, I'm like thunder that comes before the lightning. I ain't nobody frightening, but if you fuck with my life, that's right. Oh, I'll take you down like a ship in some kind of lightning storm, baby.
End it.
Adios.
That was